Hey grade 7, welcome to another edition of Mr. V Teaches Math, and today we're going to move on from what we talked about yesterday to discounts and sale prices. And so our goal very simply today is to use some strategies to calculate both the discount and sale price of items. Now just in case you're unsure, a discount is the difference between a regular price and a sales price, and discounts are expressed both as percentages or as a dollar amount. What we're going to get a chance to do during our time now is to see a percentage amount and then figure out how much the discount is, and then figure out how much the discount price is. Okay? So, moving on. Our problem that we're going to be working with is that a 16 gigabyte iPod Touch retails for $229, but you find it on Kijiji for 20% off. So, my question, or I have a couple questions actually. How much is the discount on the iPod, and how much is the discounted iPod? So there are two things that we're being asked to do, and I'm going to again show you two different methods. Okay? So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to find out what 20% of $229 is. And we know that that becomes 0.2 times 229. So we'll bust out just a calculator, and I have 0.2 times 229. I find out that it's $45 or 45.8, which means that the discount off of that iPod is $45.80. I'm not done yet, because now what I need to do is take the original price is $229. And I need to subtract the discount price. Okay, so I take my $229 and subtract my $45.80, and what I'm left with is $183.20. So now I've done both things. I figured out how much the discount is, and then I figure out what the sale price is. Okay, there's a quicker way to do that. And the quicker way to do that is to think for a second, okay, so if I'm taking 20% off of the price of $229, that means that I'm only paying 80% of $229. Now let's see if that works for a second. So I do my decimal equivalent and times and 229. Now I'm hoping that when I do 0.8 times 229, that I actually get 183.20. So 0.8 times 229 equals 183.2. So I've actually figured out a quick way of saying, okay, so if there's a 20% discount, I'm paying 80% of the price of the original. So if I do that multiplication using my decimal equivalent, this is how much I pay. Now again, you don't have to do it this way, okay? But notice that it's a quicker way of figuring out a sale price. Now sometimes the questions in the book will say, how much is the discount? In which case you have to do it this way, because then the question's asking you what the value of the discount is. Okay? There are other times when I just want to know what the sale price is, and then this way is more appropriate. Okay? I am about saving you time. So, a pair of sneakers is regularly priced at $79.95. What's the discount and the sale price if there's a discount of 15%? It's kind of hard to see, but it's 15%. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the price. We have $79.95. And then it's at 15% off, which means I need to know what 15% of $79.95 is. And I rewrite it like this. And I get out my calculator, and I have 15% times $79.95, and I get this big long answer. I want to round it to two decimal places, and notice that the one past that second decimal place is a 2, so I can leave it at $11.99. Not done. This is the discount, which fulfills this part. Now what I need to do is take my original cost, $79.95, and subtract the discount. So get out the calculator, 79.95 minus 11.99, which means I'm going to be paying before tax, mind you, $67.96. So that's both ways. Now, if I had just said, what's the discount price? What you can say is, well, that means that I'm going to be only paying 85% of $79.95, which is 0.85 times 79.95. Get out the calculator. And once I do my rounding, I still get $67.96 as my final price. Okay? 2 ways to do those questions. Both work well.